is for apple, shiny and red, rolling in sunshine just out of bed. B is for banana, yellow and bright, dancing on beaches with pure delight. C is for candle, glowing with cheer, lighting the night when stars appear. D is for drum, boom, 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 making music all around the room. E is for elephant, splashing with fun, spraying cool water under the sun. F is for frog, leaping so high, catching small bugs as they buzz by. G is for giraffe, tall and sweet, reaching the trees for a tasty treat. H is for house, cozy and bright, windows are glowing all through the night. I is for island, sunny and small, palm trees waving to greet us all. J is for jellyfish, floating slow, glowing and twirling in ocean glow. K is for king, wearing his crown, smiling with joy, no frown around. L is for light, sparkling gold, magical shimmer, gentle and bold. M is for moon, sleepy and round, dreaming on clouds without a sound. N is for nut, rolling near sea, giggles and laughter, happy and free. O is for octopus, waving hello, 8 little arms that wiggle and flow. P is for penguin, sliding with glee, gliding on ice, as happy as can be. Q is for queen, shining bright, waving her wand with sparkly light. R is for rabbit, hopping along under the tree, singing a song. S is for sun, golden and warm, smiling and shining after a storm. T is for tiger, bold and fast, running through jungles, having a blast. U is for unicorn, magic and bright, galloping softly through pink twilight. V is for van, vroom on the road, through the forest it happily rode. W is for whale, splashing the sea, singing a tune for you and me. X is for xylophone, tink tink tong, playing bright colors all day long. Y is for yacht, sailing so wide, gliding through waves with the ocean tide. Z is for zebra, black and white, racing through grass in morning light.